How to download and get TikTok on Microsoft Store on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use TikTok on PC with Microsoft Store. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Store and go to the top right here and search for TikTok. Now you will find it, click on it, and here is the TikTok as you can see. Now click get from here and wait a few seconds. It will start downloading as you can see, and let's go to the library. Here you will find it, and it's downloaded successfully. Now let's open it. Go here and click on open. Now as you can see, this is the TikTok on my desktop. As you can see, you can watch videos and everything from here now. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.